it's me Tori and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be customizing my iPad's home screen. I wanted to make it look a little bit cuter, a little bit more aesthetic, because it kind of looked a little bit sad. I've posted some other kind of device/tech videos in the past where I've tried to make my devices look aesthetic. So I tried again with my iPad. I wanted it to be kind of work focused. I take this iPad to my college days to, you know, do my college work on. I kind of use it as a laptop. I've got like my own keyboard for it and everything. So I wanted it to be kind of suitable for work. That implies that I have a not safe for work setup on my phone. That's not true. I just wanted it to look cute, you know, but I kind of need to redo my phone's home screen as well because that kind of looks a little bit sad. So today I'm actually making my own icons. I mean, not completely from scratch, obviously. I'm using like different stickers that I found on Pixar to make them, and I'm using some like different widget apps to, you know, make some little widgets. The dog you see in the calendar and the clock widget is my own dog, Tilly. Well, technically she's my dad's dog, but you know, I live with her. She's cute. So I had these really cute pictures that my mum actually took last year on our holiday. So I decided to have them on my home screen. So obviously because of the different colours, the earthy tones in those pictures, because she's literally outside, that kind of changed what colour scheme I had to use. I was originally going to use a blue colour scheme because my iPad case is actually like a baby blue colour, which is really cute. But I wanted it to actually look good with the widgets that I got on my screen. So I went for a brown theme. I don't normally do that, a brown/beige. I could have done green, I suppose, but I didn't really want to. So we're going for like a beigey brown colour scheme. And I don't own, apart from the pictures of Tilly, I don't own any of the pictures that you see in this video. So like all the rights go to the respective owners and everything. But I kind of made my own icons on PixArt, which is like a free app you can get. I make pretty much all of my YouTube thumbnails on PixArt, to be honest. And I just found some icons and then just kind of edited them to sort of meet my aesthetic that I was going for, basically. And then I used the Shortcuts app, which I think we got in like iOS 14 or something. This is iOS 16. I couldn't fully customize my lock screen because I don't have like the iOS 17 beta version for the iPad. If you didn't know, basically on iOS 16 you can't customize the iPad lock screen, which is kind of sad, but I'm glad we're getting it soon. I suppose I could have got the beta version of iOS 17, but I feel like when a program or a software is in the beta version, especially for something like my iPad where I do all of my college work on, I don't want to get the beta version in case it like completely messes up my iPad and deletes all of my work. I would absolutely cry if that happened. I can't lose my stuff, you know? I just wanted it to be kind of cute and motivational for when I'm doing my work, you know? But I'll probably redo this again when iOS 17 is released so that I can get a cute little lock screen and everything. I don't know why I didn't spend so much time customizing my Android phone when I had it, because you do get a lot more options for customization on Android devices. You're a little bit limited on Apple devices. Obviously you can customize them a lot more now than you used to be able to, but you know, you're still a little bit limited. And the Shortcuts app is kind of annoying because every time you open one of these icons, it does a notification. It puts a notification up on your screen saying about the shortcut, which is really annoying. But, you know, it is what it is, to be honest. We work with what we've got. And I got this iPad specifically for my college work. And also I had an Apple Pencil, which I used to use for my sister's iPad to do drawing on. And I wanted to have my own iPad for drawing, and I already had an Apple Pencil, so I got an iPad. This one is I believe it's the 8th generation iPad. It works perfectly fine for my college work, you know, it does its job and everything. And I am just really trying to explore the different like widget features that we have. I really like that you can actually stack them together. So I made some like photo widgets in this app called ScreenKit, and then I stacked them together so you can have like a little slideshow where you can scroll through whatever photos you want on your home screen. So I just found some aesthetic images from the internet and then I just put them on my home screen and I can scroll through them when I get bored. I also believe that the iPad should just play them as like a slideshow, just like scroll through them occasionally. So I'll always have different little pictures to look at. But I like my home screen. I think it looks nice, but I don't think it looks too over the top. I say that, I also put like this little notepad thing on my pre-existing wallpaper. I didn't want it to be too big. I wanted it to look like a little notepad pop-up, even though it looks like it's meant to be on a computer, not an iPad. I don't know, I just thought it looked cute. Having a little positive message of affirmation on my screen. I like it. It looks more customized, more personalized this way. And, you know, I like how it turned out. So I think you're going to like the end result. We are actually coming up to the end of the video now, and I will show you what I chose for my lock screen and the finished home screen. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I hope you have a really good day, and I'll see you all next time.